Hello friends, here we will see about automation. So in previous part of video I explained about injector for the gaseous fuel, whereas for the liquid fuel atomizer. Atomizer is the device which converts volume of liquid into multiplicity of drops. So that is the device which convert volume of liquid into the multiplicity of drops. The process, the converting volume of liquid into a multiplicity of droplet spray is known as the atomization. Here in this image, we can clearly see about atomization process. Here, the liquid core is break into the bigger ligament, further bigger ligament into bigger droplets, whereas further primary bigger droplet into the very finer droplet. The process is secondary breakup. Secondary breakup is the process in which bigger droplet is further breaks into very finer droplet. This is known as secondary breakups. So the entire process is known as automation. Let's look into what are the parameter which affect the atomization. First is geometrical parameter. So atomizer geometrical parameter such as atomizer diameter, or it's like external or internal mixing atomizer, etc. In the second parameter is operating parameter. So supply pressure of liquid or supply pressure of air, atomizing air, etc. In third important parameter is thermophysical property of the fluids such as density, viscosity, temperature, surface tension. So these are the three different key parameters which affect the atomization process. First is geometrical, second is operating parameter, third one is thermophysical property of the fluids. Okay, next point. Here I would like to explain about classification of the atomizer. First one is single fluid atomizer. Here we can see only liquid is used for the atomization purpose. So here only one liquid, there is no additional air in this atomizer, known as the single fluid atomizer. Next one is the twin fluid atomizer. Here we will use liquid and air for the atomization process. It further classified into internal mixing atomizer, external mixing atomizer. Here we can see I already explained here. Twin fluid atomizer is nothing but liquid as well as the gas for the atomization purpose. Here this is the internal mixing atomizer. Here we can clearly see both liquid as well as air mixing inside the injector itself. So here it will mix, so it will come out as a spray like this. This process known as the atomization process in internal mixing atomizer. Whereas in external mixing atomizer, both liquid here such as water as well as air mixing at exit of the atomizer. So here it is mixing, so this is known as the external mixing atomizer. So there are many application of the spray such as spray painting, spray drying, agricultural spray, spray cleaning, liquid fuel combustion, and drug delivery. Here I already explained about the combustion chamber where we can use this liquid atomizer for the fusion to create a finer spray for the combustion purpose. So this is the overall view about the atomizer. First I will explain about atomization, then the process. So primary, secondary, then what are the important parameters which affect the atomization, then classification, single fluid atomizer, twin fluid atomizer. Further, twin fluid atomizer classified into internal as well as external mixing, important application of the spray, then where our injector is going to use in the combustion chamber. Then I will move to the design of the combustion chamber.